cup of coffee for your head. They'll get you up and going out of bed.
I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon. You don't believe that. Oh, you never believed that. From the first moment I got here, you've been trying to get rid of me. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him. I saw myself. It hurt. But it could never hurt more than it did every day of my life just being me. I stayed because I thought if anyone could change me, could make me not me, it was you, the greatest kung fu teacher in all of China.
So I see you